Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be ordering my downpipe for my Mustang Ecoboost, and I'm gonna give you guys an update on my car. As you guys know, I'm planning to build my car to make 600 wheel horsepower. I'm gonna slow down on that process just because I have to do the full bolt-on parts first. First, I'm gonna do my downpipe, intercooler, and E85, and I'm also gonna do an aftermarket turbo, and then I'm gonna build my engine to make the most power with those components. So the downpipe I am ordering is the BBK catted downpipe. It's from American Muscle. They have not sponsored me. So the one I'm looking at is this BBK catted downpipe. It looks really good, and there's really good reviews on it. It's from American Muscle. So let me see more pictures. A 3-inch catted downpipe. It goes straight from the turbo straight to your exhaust. All stock downpipe is very restricted. Upgrading the downpipe could help you make more horsepower because it helps the turbo move away its gases from the turbine more efficiently. The downpipe will arrive in 1 or 2 weeks. I will record the process of me opening it, and I'll show you the unboxing of it, so please be tuned. To get this car out. But I'm addicted to this shit. Can I get a chai frap?
A chai cream frappuccino, what size?
Can you make a no whipped cream, and can you make a grande, please?
Grande with no whipped cream? And what else for you today?
That's it, thank you.
Alright.
I gotta try the chai frap. That shit is bomb. Like, that's probably one of my favorite drinks.
Woo!
Man, I love this park and that table right there. It's so peaceful here. And they have a waterfall and everything. Fountain, sorry. Alright, we back home.